rooftop.
Second coffee of the day. I can't open my eyes, it's so bright. Hey guys, what's up? It is Kenzie. I have not posted in a really long time. I took a little break just because I felt super unmotivated with YouTube and I felt like I was just putting up the same thing. So I took a little break and now I'm back to post the same things. And I'm about to head into class, but today's the day before I leave for California. I just got back from Dallas and that was really fun. Now I'm headed to California. I have some family things that are happening. I'm seeing some friends. I have a couple meetings. I'm just super excited. I haven't been to LA since last May. That rhymed. And today I just have a lot of errands. I need to go get my nails done. I hate this color so much and I broke my nail in Dallas. So I have to go fix these, and then I have to get a spray tan today, and I have to do a little bit of shopping because I feel like I have nothing to wear. And I'm gonna go into class because I'm rambling and I have 2 minutes to get there, but I'll see you guys when I get out. I just got back from class. I just grabbed food from school and I'm really lucky at Salem State. They have sushi bars, so I grabbed a California roll and I'm so excited to eat it. I'm making some coffee right now and I have my nail appointment in like 2 hours. You guys are probably not surprised at all, but I restarted watching The Vampire Diaries. This is honestly my 6th or 7th time watching the series. I just love it so much. I'm so itchy, why? And I don't just sit there and watch the show. Like, I'll sit there obviously and watch a show and eat, but like I do things. I just like having background noise, so I like will clean my room or like do homework with it on. So yeah, I don't know why I'm explaining myself, but I'm really hungry and I need some caffeine, so I'm gonna eat this and then go get my nails done. Right now I just finished packing. I'm whitening my teeth. This is all part of my travel routine. I usually, if I'm going somewhere for like a long time, then I'll spray tan, do my nails, whiten my teeth. That's just because I like doing things that make me feel good before I leave. I finished packing. I usually don't pack until the day before I leave. Last week when I was in Dallas, before I left, I packed literally in 30 minutes before I had to leave because I was too lazy to do it before, and I'm a procrastinator. So far, I think this is it. I think this is everything that I need. Usually, I don't do something this big. I'll do like a little carry-on and just buy things that I need there, like toothpaste and stuff like that. But this time, I was just like, why am I just not gonna check a bag, like pay $25 and just, you know, have everything that I want with me? So I need to put my phone charger or my camera charger in there. I'm going to try to download some episodes of, I don't know what, maybe The Vampire Diaries, I don't know, something like that on my laptop. So I have that, and then I also have to do some school on the plane. I really need to take these out, they're so annoying. I need to do some school on the plane, and yeah, I'm super excited. I'll see you guys in the morning. How I always hit my hand on this. I am in LA and I'm so happy. Right now I'm at Remy's and we're about to head to Soul Cycle, which I've never been to an actual Soul Cycle class. I've only been to spin, so I'm a little nervous, but also really excited to try it for the first time. I should have probably washed my tan off before because I feel like it's gonna sweat and be weird, but whatever, we're gonna roll with it. Yeah, it's like 6 p.m. and I'm actually not tired at all. Usually when I fly in, I'm really tired, but I'm ready to go. Hello guys, it is Thursday. I'm here with Shelby and we're at her new, like, what do you call this, condo?
Like townhouse.
Townhouse. It is
we just call it a house because it's just easier.
Yeah, it's so cute. It's really, really cute. But we're here. We're gonna hang out today. Shelby needs to film a video and that's really all that we're doing today. Yeah. Dinner maybe with Remy?
Maybe Nick.
Maybe Nick? Yeah, Nick wants to.
Yeah.
And last night,
dinner at like 9 p.m. when I'm done.
Yeah. Last night I slept walked. It was what? Well, because I was so worried I wasn't gonna wake up.
Did you wake up during it?
I don't think so. I was worried I wasn't gonna wake up for my dad. So I remember getting out of bed at like 2 in the morning, grabbing my phone thinking I had to leave, and then like I woke up back on the couch.
Wait, so did you meet your dad this morning?
Yeah. It was really nice. I'm just waiting until you did that. Pico Boulevard over. Oh. That's where you needed to go, girl.
Can I exit over there?
No. This is so weird.
Girl, move! You're in the street!
I like her pants though.
Okay, whatever.
You're in the street. Oh, you can't even. Okay, guys. It is much later. Sorry. It's okay. We are filming for Shelby's video. She had to go to class, so we're breaking. Can I tell them where we're going? I mean, you're making a video about it.
Yeah. The next vlog clip that I love a lot, but I'm gonna save it for a later video because Monica didn't want me to talk about it until she posted her video and she hasn't done so yet. So I'm gonna wait, like she asked. That clip will be in a random video sometime in the future, so if you guys don't want to miss that, make sure to subscribe. But yeah, continue with the vlog. Mysterious.
Today we're gonna pick up Shelby after and finish her video. We're gonna go to Michael's. Did you hear what we're doing at Michael's?
Are you doing the thing
the
where
Michael's
you try and make like a cool, yeah.
Yeah, she wants the depth of focus.
That's funny.
Depth of field thing. So, yeah, that's what we're doing. I'm starting to get hungry.
It's National Margarita Day, so I think...
Hey guys, we're at Michael's right now. Finished Shelby's video. How do you think the video went, Shelby? Shelby's Instagram.
It was really cool with this part of it. I think it turned out good.
Yeah.
So why are you speaking on my behalf?
Okay. She's pretending to be you. Anyways. I don't know what to do. Oh, I need to answer Nick. Hi guys, it is Kenzie. It's Friday afternoon actually, and today has been insane to say the least. God is just not wanting me to do things today. I woke up with Remy at 8:30 in the morning and we went to Soul Cycle, which was great. I took my first Soul Cycle class, as you guys know, on Wednesday, and we went again today. Today was so hard, but really, really fun. I love it. I need to go more back when I'm home, but we don't really have them that close to me. Anyways, and then I went to a meeting at Full Screen, which is my network, and that was really awesome. I really had fun and learned a ton. So now I am in a random car. I'm in a Zip car actually, and it took me so long to obtain this car. I tried to Uber. My dad is in town and I have to go to Riverside to see him and a baseball game, and some of my other family's down there right now for that baseball game, and it was gonna cost me $200 to get down there if I Ubered. So I just figured I'd take a Zip car, and I kept getting locked out of my account and I couldn't find a car, and everything's still not okay. I'm trying to figure some more things out. My dad's helping me, but right now I have to go to Riverside. I'm waiting for my phone to charge because it's currently dead. Nobody knows where I am, so I'm in like a UCLA parking lot. I don't know, but I am going to try. Oh, also my makeup during my meeting, we sat outside. It was really windy, so my makeup is like kind of wonky right now. But yeah, I'm excited to drive. I didn't want to Uber all the way down there because it was gonna be a long time. I didn't want to sit in someone's car for that long, and I'd rather just like drive myself and listen to my own music and stuff. So I'm really excited to drive. Actually, I haven't driven in California in so long. So I tried to meet Shelby for lunch earlier and I was really rushed, so I ate like 2 bites of my salad and then I had to bounce, but I'm pretty hungry right now, so maybe I'll find some place to stop and get a snack, healthy or unhealthy. I don't know. I don't really care right now. I'm also in a Volkswagen. I think this is a Golf, and I have a Volkswagen. I love my Volkswagen. This thing is so high tech. Look, this is like the center console type thing for music and stuff. I get close to it, I don't even have to touch it. It like churns Look at all that. I didn't even touch it. And it's like giving me selections. It's so weird, but awesome. So awesome. Anyways, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm waiting for my phone to charge.
I wanted to come on and end this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. The next vlog will be up on Friday, and it is a complete, well, kind of complete Disneyland vlog. I didn't really vlog that much at Disney, but a huge Disneyland haul in that video. And anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It is 3 in the morning and I just finished editing, so I'm a little bit loopy, but I hope you guys enjoyed anyways. I'll see you guys on Tuesday for the next video. Bye!
Get on my elevator, baby, we're going up. Give me that now and